Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to Marsha Creatives. It's been a minute, man. Yeah, so as we've been continuing with our crash course, man, it's been a minute. I've been busy with some stuff, so I haven't been posting recently, but we are back and we are continuing with our Photoshop crash course. So right here, and the Photoshop crash course where we are right now, we are doing our practicals, as in the practical part of what we learned during the crash course. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple banner that is on my way today. I found a banner that is a car selling banner. So I want us to design a banner for a car selling company, something like that. Okay, yeah, so right here I have my Photoshop open, and as always, you know, we start by creating a new project. So come to file, new, then let's give the dimensions of 1200 by 720. Then the resolution, let's go for 200, and that is okay. So create, and boom, there is our banner. So I want us to create a simple banner for a car selling company. So what we're gonna do, as always, you know, we begin with creating the background. So for this, I don't want us to have a solid background, so we'll just have a white background, but again, we just create shapes and play along. So that's how we're going to do it. So my idea first I'm designing this from my head, direct from my head. I even have no idea of what we are designing, but I know we're going to design something great, you know. So stick around, but again, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, share, and come back here so we continue, you know. So my rectangle tool right here, let me just create a bar here like that. And I already like this color, so I'm going to use this color, and maybe this color here I was using in another project that I was working on. So let me just position it right there. So obviously we need images of cars and everything, but before that, let me just create a structure. So let me pick another rectangle here. I'm going to do like that. I'm going to give it now this other color that we are going to use. Then I'm going to come to my direct selection right here. Then I'm going to pick this, click and drag, then click on yes, and I have something that looks like that. I'm going to duplicate this, so hold Alt on your keyboard, click and drag. So I have something similar. Then just go to any corners, then you get that double-sided arrow, click and drag, so that you can be able to rotate it. So I want to rotate it, reduce the size a little bit, something like that. And then now we need images. So let me just go to my browser. So let me open my browser right here. And oh, come on. So here is my browser. So as always, we have our beautiful website that gives us PNG images and of good quality. So the website is pngegg.com. As you can see, there it is. So let me increase this. Then we are just going to search for cars. And beautiful cars. So I already like to use an image that looks like this. This is okay. So just download it, click on I'm human, then just follow this order right here. Like that, and your download should start immediately, and here it is. So I'm just going to save it. Yeah, any other image that maybe I'm going to need. This one looks nice. Yeah, this one looks okay, so just download it. And there it is. Then let me just locate the location. I'm going to copy this location. Then I'm just going back to my Photoshop. Then file, place embedded, so that we can bring our images. So I'm just going to paste the location there, press enter. So here are my images, so double click, and here is my first image. So this one I wanted it so that I can use it for somewhere below here on my, to act like a bit of my background. So I'll check that and take it back below all these layers, then place it somewhere there. Yeah, something like that, something like that. Then now I'm going to bring the other image. So file, place embedded, then should be the first one. No, this is the same image, so I'm going to delete this. File, place embedded, then should be this one. Yes. So yeah, very nice. Now we have our images like that. I'm going to increase the size of this, so just click and drag it below here. Then I'm going to bring it up. Then I want it to be on top of these other vehicles, so I will take it on, no, not take it on top, but I'll bring this above it, no, below this. Yeah, below it. Yes, exactly, something like that. Then come on, what happened? I want this to be full, but again it doesn't look nice like this. So let me rotate it. So go to properties, convert to layers, click on yes, then just flip it here. Still doesn't look nice, so I'll just have to reduce the size and place it somewhere here. Increase the size a little bit. Okay, I guess let me uncheck the visibility of that bar. I don't like how this line is appearing here, so you can use the brush tool, or you can use the is it, what do we call it, the gradient tool, to make this look nice. So for the brush tool, just click B on your keyboard, and here we are on the brush tool. But before you click on that, ensure you have this layer selected. Then click on B, then reduce the brush size. As you can see, it's too big, so reduce the size, something like that. Then undo that, ensure the color here is on black, then check. Then no, ensure you have a mask here, so right here, add layer mask. Then now click and something like that. So that is how you can do that, but I don't like using the brush. I like using the gradient. So the same way, ensure you have this mask. Then now click on G on your keyboard, or just come here to gradient, then use this basic gradient. Then now click and drag while holding your shift, then you get a nice gradient like that. I like it that way. So again, the other thing, now we can bring in the, yeah, we need text. So what text can we use? Let's say we can say best cars for sale. Yeah, so let's just write best cars for sale. So best of uppercase, best cars, like it like that. Then back always to your move tool, click and drag to increase the size. Then I don't like the font. I like a bolder font, maybe font like Impact, I think will do for me. So Impact, there is my Impact. Oh, is this Impact? Not the Impact, yeah. Yes, bold font like this. Then I like best and cars to have two different colors. So I'll just double click so that I go to text mode, then click and drag to highlight this, then just change the color here, then click on check. Yeah, So best cars, so alt click and drag, then reduce the size, or just double click to edit, and just type 4, yeah, like that. Then position it right here. You can change the color. Then now alt click and drag, I'll type my best cars for sale. Now I want to change the font here to maybe Great Vibes. Yeah, for sale, something like that. I want this cell, yes, like that. Yeah, perfect. Best cars for sale. But now I need to change the font color. This, so check, click here. Yeah, best cars for sale. Then now you can change the color for best to be this shade of blue, the one that we are using on sale, like that. And as you can see, our banner is coming up pretty nice. So the next thing, we need contact information. So I'll just come here, click on this, a rectangle, click on that. Then now I want this, I don't want the fill, so I'll remove the fill, then come to stroke, then give it a stroke. Then now I'll increase the stroke size to maybe maybe 6 is okay. So 6, yeah. Then now back to my move tool, I want to zoom in, I want to give it a rounded rectangle. So click on these what do we call these anchor points that are appearing here. When you zoom in, click and drag, and you get a rounded rectangle like that. Yeah, it's easy, guys. But again, you know, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, man. So then I need my text tool, then sorry, excuse, then just type get, oh come on, so get in touch, yep. Then check, back to your move tool as always, reduce the font size like that. Then I would like to change this font here to black. Yeah, get in touch. Then now simple, just place your contact information. But before you place your contact information, let's bring in icons. So place embedded, or where do I have my icons? Somewhere. Yeah, just come to downloads. I think I have them, I can locate them somewhere here. Yeah, so you can download your, in case you need icons, just go to flaticons.com. You can download their good icons for free. Yeah, so this is the location icon. I'm going to reduce the size and position it here. I also need the email and phone number icon. So file, place embedded. Guys, ensure to like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. So I'm looking for the email and yeah, here's the phone icon. So also reduce it down. Yeah, then position it here. Then the other one that I want to bring in is the email icon. Yeah, place embedded, same process. Oh, here's my email. Yeah, so I have my icons done perfectly. So hold alt, use your wheel on your key on your mouse to zoom in, so that you can position these properly. Yeah, you can hold shift and select all these icons, then just align them using this align here, center, yes, like that. Now hold alt and zoom out. Now you have your icons like that. I feel like this is too big, so yeah. So now get your text, then now place your phone number there, so +254, since I'm in Kenya, 07, so I'm just writing dummy numbers for this tutorial. Yeah, so then you can change your font to maybe Lato. Lato is another beautiful font, you can download it. Yeah, Lato. Then now reduce the font size, something like that, then check that, and yeah, perfect. Then hold alt, click and drag to get a copy there. Then info at carsales.com. Yeah, that's something that just came into my mind. So then alt, click and drag. Then now here, just paste your location. Yeah, so location. Yeah, so we have our contacts. So I feel like we should push them this side, so hold shift and click the icons. Then now also click on the text, all of them, ensure you have all of them selected. Then now click and drag, position them like that. Perfect. So yeah, I want to add something here, so I want to duplicate this. So Ctrl J on your keyboard, or use just alt, click and drag. So Ctrl J. So I have a copy. Yeah, as you can see it is. I want to change the color like that, then take it down, then now click and drag so that we get something like that. Then I'll come to my direct selection tool right here. Then I will click on this, then I want to click on these anchor points, one of these, and take it down, so that now I have something that looks like this. Yeah, hope you're getting the idea. Yes, something like that. So yeah, that's how easy you can design a banner for a car selling company. So Ctrl Z on your keyboard to undo. So I want to select all these fonts, then I want to reduce the size a little bit, position them properly like that. Ctrl 0 on your keyboard to have that to fit right there. So guys, as you can see, it's not a bad one. It's nice, can be printed, and yeah. So that's it. In short, in this practical part of our crash course, just showing you how to design simple banners. Simplicity makes good design. Yeah. So yeah, that's all. But there is more that can be done here. But I think we are good so far. There is more that can be done. You can decide to, yeah, revamp this and make it better. So that's it for today, guys. Ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. See you in the next video. Be strong.